Folks, yesterday I held my brand new Lightning Stock presentation. It went so well. We got thousands, and I mean thousands of questions. And I'm so happy that the system resonates with you. That makes me really happy, really excited. And now I'm going to tackle some of those questions that you asked. Stay tuned. These are the best questions out of the bunch, and we're going to tackle them now. First off, yes, I know that some of you couldn't make yesterday's webinar due to a scheduling conflict. And yes, we now have a link for the encore broadcast. Click the button below this video now to get access. Okay, we got a list of 5 questions, and I'll do each one at a time. Question number 1. Did you give a live lightning stock pick? Yes, I gave a live lightning stock pick, and I think this stock is going to be a 10-bagger. But you got to listen to the broadcast. You got to watch the broadcast to find out what stock it is. The next question is, how do I pick lightning stocks? Well, that's a great question. And actually, I go through almost 10,000. I believe it's 9,500 something factors. And I break them down to 10 essential elements. And during the class, I'll tell you all about those 10 and I'll go over each and every one of them. The next question is, does this strategy hedge? And that's also a good question and a question we received from lots and lots of our viewers. And let me answer that question. Yes, it does hedge, but not only does it hedge, it also goes short. So when the markets are bullish and when everything is firing long, we go long. But when markets are tanking, we don't just hedge our portfolio. We go full on short. So you can make money in a bull market and a bear market. And for examples and more details, watch the replay. So the next question is, how do we do in 2008? Well, you see a big smile on my face? The reason I'm smiling is because we made over 64%. And that's a humongous gain over the loss on the S&P 500 in 2008, a whopping 64% gain. And if you traded option, that gain potentially could have been 10 times bigger. So instead of losing money in 2008, we came out winners. And lastly, question 5, where can I catch the replay? If you missed yesterday's broadcast, click the button below to access the encore now. It won't be up for long. You'll learn my #1 lightning stock pick that's posed for explosive move. Plus, I'll show you how to find a handful of lightning stocks every week out of the 4,000 plus names on the American exchanges. These are trades I'd handpick for my own account. If you want them for yours, then click the button below now.